So today I want to share my opinion and my experience with DeepSpace Seeker 5 for after 50 packs. And I know a lot of people will be telling that 50 packs is not a lot and you still need more, but in my opinion 50 packs is something which can sorry, my bad, can give you some idea of how the drone is flying and what is control and how it feels. So today I will be taking it up for another practice run and will share my opinion and my thoughts about this new DeepSpace Seeker 5, which is their sort of latest drone. They released the previous year Seeker 5 with 03 air unit, but this year they already, not this year, before they released with 04 air unit. So they, as a company, they don't have a lot of different drones or setups. They only have basically two drones, which is Seeker 5 and Seeker 3. I hope the wind is okay. And of course the Seeker 5 is 5-inch and Seeker 3 is 3-inch. They have as well the racing frame, but they are not selling it as a bind and fly drone. So they started, as I understood from the information, they started as a company for the motors of the drones. Okay, so and then they released the actual frames. This exact is dead cat. They as well have the X frame. The frame feels very strong and solid, and everything, the build quality is really nice. So we'll get it up, we'll try few packs for the practice and we'll see. Ooh. So it's early morning and I decided to go for a flight before work, so let's see how it will go. I think ND16 is a little bit too much, so I need to increase ISO to at least 200 to be able to see normally. Each time something with the goggles, I mean, it's and plus few days ago I was changing the angle of camera and I had really shaky footage, and I thought that maybe it's something wrong with the tune of the drone, but it was basically not the problem with tune, it was the problem with props, and the camera was screwed way too hard, and that's why it was giving the shaky footage. But now when I change the props, everything seems okay and there is no shaky footage or anything. So, and it's a little bit windy, but as a drone it's very nicely tuned. It's have yeah, it's nice. Now it's back again good, because I thought that there is something wrong with the drone, because the footage was very, how to say, it was very shaky. But now when I changed the props and released a little bit the screws of the camera, it's really nice. You still can feel some prop wash in few situations, but let's say if you do it smoothly, then everything is fine. Of course, if you drop down like dead flat, then logically it will maybe have some you see, when it's going flat, it still have some vibration and prop wash, but in general it's very nicely tuned and very nice controllable, let's say so, and it's going where you want it to go. It's not so that there is some sort of difference in between the input of the sticks and the actual movement, because if you turn, it turns. So it's really nice. It's really nicely tuned, and I told that already before, but I like it. I love it a lot. How it flies, how it controls. So if you have a chance to get, and you are thinking about 5-inch, then give it a try, because you will not regret any how to say, you will not regret any moment with this drone, because this drone is amazing. Let's try some orbits here about the trees. I'm somehow a little bit suck at orbits, but I think it was good. It wasn't so bad. So anyway, I'm telling you, as a drone, amazing. I love it. And now when I fixed my footage, it's not vibrating anymore, because I thought that it will be problem of the drone, but no. Just next time make sure that the props is top notch or whatsoever, so you have good time with the drone. So I'm sorry about how I'm speaking, because I am one of those people who have a little bit sort of, it's not so that I can't multitask, but in the same time it's like it's quite hard to be speaking and flying, because it's a little bit, I still don't have this sort of, what they are saying, this flow state, when when basically you are flying and you are not thinking. I still need to be thinking about the things, and I need to practice more, because let's say exactly on the turnings I'm somehow still giving a little bit throttle. So anyway, this is DeepSpace Seeker 5. Five-inch drone. Amazing company. I love it. And I'm so glad that I fixed the footage, because if I would not, then it would be awful. Because I actually thought that I fucked it up. Because then that is something DJI, not DJI, I'm all the time telling DJI DeepSpace, and this is something DeepSpace need to take in consideration. Guys, you need to have some manuals how to do something, because let's say when I got it, because I have a little bit different setup on my controller, and it wasn't recording the controller movement, and then I was like trying different things, and I even flushed the Betaflight, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I even flushed that. But then in the end I found the way that it's a little bit different. Than you just need to change a setting, and the problem was solvable very easy. But anyway, so guys, make some manuals. I will come in for landing. There you go. Amazing. So let's put the goggles down. So as you saw, something is wrong. So as you saw the flight, amazing. The build quality and the efficiency of this thing is amazing. I mean, even just the cruising around and just not doing like crazy acro and whatsoever, with 1300 milliampere battery, you still can fly, I'm telling you, nearly 8 minutes. 8 minutes. So the efficiency of this thing is amazing. And controllable, and it's amazing. Anyway, it's just my thoughts about this drone after 50 packs of flying. I really enjoy it. So if you have some more questions about DeepSpace Seeker 5, or in case if you own one, just leave down in the comments what is your thoughts. So anyway, till the next video, bye.